Hey guys, it's Sunday morning and I just wanted to have a chat to you about Arbonne's new makeup. Now, I've got mine arriving this week. As you guys know, I bang on all the time about Arbonne's makeup. I absolutely love it. I've still got some of their old makeup here. I've just done my skincare this morning, but yeah, makeup primer or the Derm Results Soft Focus Veil, depending on whether I want SPF or I'm going to be largely inside. I mean, I use SPF every day anyway, mostly. And yeah, soft focus veil is really, really good in terms of SPF. I've already got some SPF on this morning, so I'm not going to use any, but yeah, I'm just thought I would let you know that I absolutely love the new makeup that's arriving this week. And yeah, really looking forward to sharing it all with you. If you're looking for some new makeup, I would love to share it with you. So please feel free to reach out. The primer is still available and the foundations have all been reformulated. And from what I'm hearing, they are even better than they were before. So I can't wait to share the new makeup with you.